Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Elliot Fleming of Fleming's Computer Tech, and I want to talk to you people on YouTube about a certain custom built computer. Alright, let's get straight to it. You got to excuse me, I'm coming down with a head cold. It's hot in Chicago. I caught a nosebleed yesterday. It was Alright. Right here we just have a shell. There is nothing inside. No monitor, no motherboard, no CPU, no memory, no hard drive. Just an empty case. And I want your opinion on the items that I should actually put into this, just to sell it on eBay. That's right, you have to say so on what I put into this shell. Unfortunately, I will only put Windows Vista in it because it has the product key. However, if I go out my way and put in a Windows 7 or Windows 8, it would be at your expense, not mine. It's a socket type 775 processor that I already have, so you feel where I'm going with this one? Just give me your feedback, leave your comments. I will co-respond right back to you. Or you can email me at flemingcomputertech@gmail.com. I would put up into this computer whatever you say, provided if when I send you an invoice you would pay, I would ship it to that address the same day. That is not given that if it's actually on a Sunday. The post office do not open on Sunday. Yes, it will be free shipping and handling, by the way. If there is a delay, if there's any parts that I have to order through Newegg, I'll let you know that. But most of the parts I always get from Micro Center. That way I can get it right there on the spot. Yes, I'll send you an invoice, you pay me, I'll put it together, ship it out to you. If you would like for me to leave the hard drive blank and you have your own operating system, good for you. Now, once I put this together, I'm going to add on $125. I don't work for free, I'm sorry. That's the way it is, that's the way it's going down. Just think about it. Empty shell, need a hard drive, motherboard, CPU. Yes, it would be a brand new computer. Only then if you wanted to, like, you have to let me know. Look, don't put no operating system in here. You can just scratch off the product key code up on here, and I add my own. That's fine. That's fine. It's just fine with me. Leave your comments. Tell me what parts you think I should put into this. You can add up your own costs. It's a wonderful day. But I feel like crap right now. I'm not going to take too much of your time. Like I got a watch on. Hold on. This is actually 1:44. Oh my goodness. And the weather is 81 degrees. And I'm sweating profusely. This is Elliot Fleming of Fleming Computer Tech. I'll see you guys later now. Bye for now. Easing on a memory when I'm with you. Yeah, when I'm with you. Well,